Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Diamond Cat 18. Today I will be playing some Roblox and my friend is on my phone. But we cannot play together because sadly I do not have Roblox on my phone, but I will go and download it right now. Okay, my friend could not join me. It was so hard to get her to play. But I will be doing a dress up.
Hey!
Okay, my friend's doing a granny and she's going crazy. She's going crazy for her grams. She is so crazy. She is so crazy. Oh, by the way, I made a Momo video 2 videos ago, and it was the Princess Momo. And right when I clicked it to watch my own video, I saw Momo.
A real Momo?
I'm talking to my fans.
Say one! Your pop socket could do.
Yeah, I know. I know, guys. I don't know why I'm crying. Okay, I like pink bubblegum. Mermaid. Ooh, got you?
Yeah, I was about to go under the bed and she was right behind me. And when I turned around, she was right there.
You still want to play it?
Yeah, just
Or you shouldn't play it. Here, I'll show you the outfit that you put on. Come here. This is the outfit that you put on.
Oh, that's a cute outfit.
I don't like it.
Oh, it's too late.
I know that I'm still recording, guys. Okay, I didn't forget again like I did. What is that? What? Oh, my friend is just watching a commercial. I don't know why.
I hate commercials. Day 3!
My friend is
I'm
doing.
trying to look for the book.
My friend is literally being crazy.
Looking for the book.
My friend is being crazy right now, guys.
Looking for a book.
Guys, if you knew me in real life, you would know how much I do not like how people. I'm not being a weirdo, poo-poo pants. I know that I'm still recording, guys.
Hi,
Again.
Granny.
If you guys are hearing
I
terrifying
tried.
noises, then just mute or.
Yeah, I'll play a different game. I'm playing a different game.
Sorry if you
now.
guys heard me say mute it. It's because my friend was, saying that. But yeah, so I'm just going to my dorm room. What should I do? Should I go around scaring people?
No, go on your classes. No.
No, I'm gonna go to classes. But guess what? I'm also gonna do? Go around as someone that I don't know who. But I'm gonna go around as someone.
So you're just gonna try to find a person and act just like them, just like that?
I'm a loser. I have nowhere to get changed. Wow.
Wait, what room do you have? The blue one?
Yeah, I couldn't get the closest pink one. Okay, guys, so I don't know what I should I should be. Who should I be? I shouldn't go around as that girl. So who should I go around as, guys? Yeah, I'll do it for next video. So how about we just focus on playing? Oh. I'm gonna copy this girl, guys. So her name is Sapphire. So I need to know what she looks like. Okay, so she has, I think, does she? Yes, she has this ponytail, guys. Blonde. Stuff is that. Wait, load. Just load. Just load. Look, guys, we're twins. Why? She just left.
Shaving people's heads.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a like down below, and comment down below what I should do. And hit the post notification bell. Bye. Love you all.